In today's video, I'm going to show you how to integrate HubSpot with Monday.com, helping you streamline workflows and collaborate better. Start by logging into your Monday.com dashboard. Look at the top right and click on the Marketplace tab. In the search bar, type HubSpot and select it from the results. Click Use App to start connecting the two platforms. Next, you'll choose the workspace and board where you want HubSpot data to sync. Think of the workspace as your digital office and boards as individual project plans. Picking the right ones ensures your customer and project data flows seamlessly. Once you've made your selections, click Add App to finalize the integration. From here, your HubSpot data will sync with Monday.com, giving you the power of HubSpot CRM and Monday.com's project management together. And that's it. Just a few clicks and your tools are connected, making teamwork and customer management easier than ever. If you run into any issues, Monday.com support is there to help.